What does Black Panther and clinical research have in common? Up next. Hey guys, ECRG here. Now, a lot of you have been hearing the hype around this movie lately. It's currently opening weekend when I'm recording this video. Black Panther, one of the best movies of the year, in my opinion, even though the year has just pretty much begun. And there are so many messages to take away from this, but being the main person for this channel, ECRG, of course, I was thinking, when seeing certain things, what does this have to do with clinical research and all the clinical research inside the movie, which is absolutely incredible. Just an overall incredible movie. This review does contain a little bit of spoilers, so if you haven't seen the movie or still plan on seeing the movie, I'd recommend seeing the movie first before you watch this video. But man, what a great movie. I just left it last night feeling so empowered, and it was just a great all-around movie. So if you haven't seen it yet, go see it, and you can comment down below what you thought of it under this video. But I wanted to discuss some of the takeaways in the movie and how they relate to clinical research, because there was a lot of futuristic technology in the movie, and a lot of research and passion that's being done in that arena. And I wanted to talk about that today. So first off, I want to talk about the passion for science displayed in the movie. And it's very rare that we see a film that's an all black cast that has, with a huge basis around science and technology. And it's just amazing that was able to be broadcast. So thank you to Ryan Coogler, who was the director for that movie. It's just amazing that was able to be broadcast on the big screen like that. And that's one of the reasons why it was so empowering and inspiring to a lot of people. So the passion for science was just all throughout. You had Shuri, who was played by Letitia Wright, who was the sister of Black Panther, Chadwick Boseman, sorry. And she is just so passionate about the science in the movie. She was responsible for all the technology of the suit and some of the technology he used in the movie. And of course, she was responsible for a lot of the, research that was being done with healing and things of that nature. So she was pretty much over all that. She was a main engineer. She helped engineer the society at whole. And she was just so passionate about it, man. That's all she wanted to do, was be in charge of her laboratory and her science and her devices and things of that nature. So it was awesome to see her do her thing in the movie and kind of back up Black Panther, because a lot of those instances, he's nothing without that science and tech, without having her. And Letitia Wright did a great job in that role. It was amazing. And her character's name was Shuri. So a lot of people have been saying that she's the next Disney princess. We'll see. I don't know about that, but we'll see. She was absolutely gorgeous in the movie, played an incredible role, and you could see and feel her passion for science throughout. So that was amazing. I wouldn't be surprised if she majored in science in college or something like that. You could just feel it in her role. Great acting there. So the passion for science was the first thing that we noticed. And in clinical research, we have to share that same passion for science, because that's really what we're doing. That's pretty much what the whole business is about, is bringing new drugs to the market. And so, we help manage, if you're in project manager or clinical operations or whatever, you're even closer to the science. And, that's what it's really about in clinical research, that passion. So hopefully you feel that passion. And whenever you're feeling like down or stressed out, just think about the science and why we got into clinical research, probably. So the second thing was the technology and medical devices that were used throughout the movie. And it should come as no surprise that in a super futuristic society, that they had this advanced technology, medical devices, and they were able to heal people faster. And it was just incredible seeing that in a futuristic society. So hopefully 10, 15, 20 years, we'll be able to heal people much faster, and we'll be able to kind of advance the frontier of modern medicine through clinical research, medical devices, and some of the drugs we're going to be using and developing now to help patients live better and more fruitful lives, and hopefully help the human race be able to live longer and longer, past 100 years old. So hopefully we'll see that. And it was awesome to see in that movie where you see those medical devices and technologies helping people and advancing the people of Wakanda in that way. So technology, medical devices. The third thing we want to talk about is the overall compassion to help people. And that's what it's really about in the movie, because even at the end, when Michael B. Jordan's character, Eric Killmonger, he was dying essentially. And even though he was down and he was the villain the whole entire movie, pretty much, the Black Panther, Chadwick Boseman, he had that compassion to help him even until the end. But Killmonger ultimately didn't want it, but he had the compassion to say, hey, we could still save you. Even though I dealt that death blow, there's probably something we can still do to heal you and save you. So that compassion to help people was all around and is just really at the forefront of the movie, just helping people. There's a lot of positivity in the movie as well. And it was just amazing to see that level of compassion. So just wanted to bring those points to you guys. As you know, in clinical research, we have all of those things intertwined with what we do on a daily basis. Got that passion for science, hopefully. You've got the technology and medical devices. So it's important to just keep that in perspective as we go and do our daily jobs, that, you know, there's a bigger picture here at play, and sometimes you don't always see it, but hopefully 10, 15, 20 years, you know, we're going to be seeing some of that technology that was in Black Panther come to fruition, hopefully within my lifetime and our lifetimes together, because it was absolutely amazing. So hopefully I didn't spoil too much of the movie here. Didn't want to spoil too much just in case people watch this video without seeing the movie. So thank you guys for listening to this video. Once again, that was a spectacular movie. Probably one of my favorite movies in a long time. That was Black Panther. So go watch it, guys. It was awesome. And email us at eliteclinicalgroup@gmail.com for any inquiries you may have, as always, guys. And take care.